Hi students, I welcome you all for today's online class. In today's class, we are going to open up a new chapter, chapter 7, which comes under the measurement. In this 7.1 exercise comes under the deleted portion. So we are going to leave that exercise. Next exercise in that chapter is surface area of solid and cube. So this is the topic which comes under the exercise 7.2. Surface area of cuboid and cube. Before getting into the topic, we have to know what is meant by cuboid. Cuboid, this is the shape of cuboid which has the 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. So this is the first face, second face, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So மொத்தம் அதில் 6 faces இருக்கு. இந்த ஒரு சைடை வந்து ஃபேஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Then 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices and 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are the edges. So 8 vertices and 12 edges. So like the cuboid, in cube also we have, this is the cube. All of you know that this is the Rubik's cube. It also has 6 faces. Here all the faces are equal. All are in the square form. So we call it as cube. So this is the rectangular form of box. So we call it as cuboid. This is a cube. So here also we have 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. And 8 vertices and 12 edges. Now we are going to know what are the formula to find the surface area of cuboid. In the cuboid, surface area means we have 2 types. One is the LSA, the other one is the TSA. That means lateral surface area. LSA means lateral surface area அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. TSA means total surface area. Lateral surface area. If this is since it is a cuboid box, இது ஒரு cuboid box அப்படின்றதுனால இந்த outer இந்த 4 sides இருக்குல்ல, இந்த 4 sides உடைய ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்கன்னா we call it as lateral surface area. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the lateral surface area. When comes to the total surface area, we have to calculate the above and the below, top and the bottom, top as well as bottom as well as the lateral surface. This everything calculate panna, we call it as total surface area. So lateral surface, you have to know this. What is the lateral surface? Lateral surface na the outer surface, வெளியில இருக்கிற அந்த சுத்தி வர்ற மாதிரி அந்த இது. Top and bottom சேர்த்தா we call it as total surface area. Like that in the cube also like that. அதே மாதிரி தான். This is the lateral surface. Above and the below, if you added means we call it as total surface. The formula for finding the lateral surface area of cuboid. The lateral surface area of cuboid is 2h into L plus B. The total surface area of cuboid is 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. So this is the formula to find the LSA and TSA of cuboid. So அது எப்படின்றது நீங்க இப்ப பார்க்கலாம். Okay, you treat this as length and this as height. இது breadth. Length, breadth and height. If you find the area of this rectangular surface, L into H. Here B into H. This side means L into H. L into H. Here B into H. In the side B into H. Again it is L into H. Again this is B into H. Okay, இதில் எல்லா டேர்ம்ஸ்லையும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா H காமனாக இருக்குது. H காமனாக எடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா L plus B plus L plus B அப்படின்னு வரும். L plus L gives 2L, B plus B gives 2B into H. Again இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்ம்ல இருந்து 2 காமனா வெளியில எடுத்துடலாம். You will get 2H into L plus B. So this is the formula straight away given here as 2H into L plus B. So இப்படிதான் இந்த formula array பண்றாங்க. Next, the total surface area means you have to find the area of the top as well as the bottom. The top area is length into breadth. Here also length into breadth. If you add this, totally you will get 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. Next we are going to learn the formula for LSA of cube and the TSA of cube. In the cube we use only one measurement, that is A. Since all sides are equal, all the sides and all the edges are equal, here we are using the letter A, that is the edge. Here A square. If you find the area of this space, you will get A square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will get the formula for LSA of cube is 4 times A square. For the total surface area, top and bottom. So totally 6 times. So 6 A square units. This is the formula to find the LSA and TSA of cube. 4A square and 6A square. With these 4 formula, we will move to the exercise 7.2. Okay, the exercise 7.2 first sum is find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cuboid whose length is 20 cm, breadth is 15 cm and the height is 8 cm. Before doing these measurement sums, you have to check whether all the measurements are in same unit. Centimeter, here also centimeter. If any measurement is in different terms, one on the meter, one centimeter, millimeter, you have to convert all the units in the same unit. Centimeter na centimeter la irukano, millimeter na millimeter, decimeter na decimeter, adhe units la irukano. Then you can do the sum. Adukapra sum ke ponom. So here first I am going to find the TSA of cuboid. For that the formula is 2 times L into B plus B into H plus H into L square units. So mere substitution of the values. 2 times L is 20 into B 15 plus B is 15 into 8 H plus H is 8 and the L is again 20 square centimeter. First you multiply the things which is inside the bracket. 20 into 15 gives 300, 15 into 8 gives 120, 8 2s are 16, 160 square centimeter. 300 plus 120, 420, here 520 plus 60, 580 into 2 gives 0, 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1160 square centimeter. Next here we are going to find the LSA of cuboid. For that the formula is 2H into L plus B square units. So 2 into H is 8 into L plus B, that is 20 plus 15. First you have to simplify the bracket. 20 plus 15 gives 35. 35 into 8 2s are 16, or you multiply the 8 afterwards, you can multiply the 2. So 2 into 35 gives 70. 70 into 8 gives 560. So 560 square centimeter. Next, in the second sum, the dimension of the cuboidal box is equal to 6 meter into 400 centimeter into 1.5 meter. Find the cost of the painting in the entire outer surface of at the rate of 22 rupees per meter square. The question is given in meter. One dimension is given in meter, the other one is in centimeter, again the third one is in meter. So first we have to assume the length is 6 meter, breadth is 400 centimeter. That can be converted into meter. So you will get 4 meter into height is equal to 1.5 meter. First we have to find the TSA, because we have to paint all over the surface of the box. Six faces li நம்ம paint பண்ணனும். So we have to find the TSA. So the formula is 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L square units. 2 into L into B is 6 into 4 plus 4 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 6 square meter. 2 into 24 plus 4 into 1.5 gives 6 plus 6 into 1.5 gives 9 square meter. If you add these three numbers, you will get 30 into 9, 39. 39 into 2 gives 78 square meter or meter square. Next we are going to find the cost. So the cost of painting at the rate of rupees 22 per meter square is equal to 78 square meter into 22 rupees. So 78 into 22, 2 8s are 16, remainder 1, 14 plus 1, 15, again 156. If you add this, you will get 1716. So the rupees 1716. So this is the total cost for painting the entire box. Next in the third sum, the dimension of a hall is 10 meter into 9 meter into 8 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls and ceiling at the rate of rupees 8.5 meter square. Here all the dimensions are in meter, so no need to change anything. But look at the question. They ask you to find the cost of whitewashing the 4 walls as well as the ceiling, not in the floor. So what thing we have to find out? So 4 walls means this covered with the lateral surface area. Then the ceiling means one of the top area, that is L into B. So the area to be whitewashed equal to LSA of cuboid plus area of ceiling. The ceiling is L into B. Here the formula for LSA is 2H into L plus B plus area of the ceiling is L into B. Ceiling on the length into breadth varum. 4 walls, that is 4 walls comes under the LSA of cuboid. For that the formula is 2H into L plus B. Now substitute those values. 2 into, here what is L? This is L, this is B and this is H. 2 into 8 into 10 plus 9 plus L into B, that is 10 into 9. If you simplify this, first you have to add these two numbers. 10 plus 9 gives 19. 2 8s are 16. 16 into 19 plus 10 into 9, 90. If you multiply this 16 with 19, you will get 9 6 are 54, remainder 5. 9 plus 5, 14. 116 is 16, 4, 0, 304. So 304 plus 90 gives 394 meter square. So this is the area to be whitewashed. The cost of whitewashing is rupees 50 paise. So the cost of whitewashing at the rate of rupees 8.50 per meter square is equal to 394 into 8.50. If you multiply the 394 with 8.50, you will get 0, 0, 0. 5 4s are 20, remainder 2. 45 plus 2, 47, remainder 4. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 4, 19. Again, if you multiply with 8, you will get 8 4s are 32, remainder 3. 72 plus 3, 75, remainder 7. 24 plus 7, 31. 0 0 9 4 3 3. If you place a decimal, இங்க 2 digits தள்ளி decimal இருக்கு, அதே மாதிரி இங்க 2 digits தள்ளி decimal போச்சுனா you will get the answer as 3349 rupees 3349. This is the total cost of whitewashing. So we are going to do the sums in cube. The fourth sum is find the TSA and LSA of cube. Here we have 3 subdivisions. One is 8 meter, the second one is 21 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. So I'm going to do the one sum. You do the remaining two sums as homework. In the first sum, I'm going to find the TSA. So here the value of A is given as 8 meter. The TSA of Q. What is the formula for finding the TSA of Q? 6A square units. So which is equal to 6 into A square, that is 8 square. First you have to square and then you have to multiply with 6. So 6 into 8 square gives 64. If you multiply the 64 with 6, 6 4s are 24, remainder 2, 36 plus 2, 38. So 384 meter square. So that is the TSA. Next I am going to find the LSA of cube. The formula to find the LSA of cube is 4A square units. So 4 into 8 square. 8 square is again 64. 64 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 1. 6 4s are 24 plus 1. 256 meter square. So this is the TSA and the LSA of cube for the first sum. You do the second and third sum with the same formula as a homework. Next, in the fifth sum, if the total surface area of cube is equal to 2400 centimeter square, then find the lateral surface area. Here TSA is given. Here the edge is not given. A kudukla directa. TSA kuduthi LSA kekranga. Using this TSA, first I am going to find the A. The formula to find the TSA is 6A square equal to 2400. 6A square equal to 2400. So A square is equal to 2400 divided by 6. If you cancel this, you will get 400. You keep the value as it is. A square update. Now we will use the formula for LSA of cube. What is the formula to find the LSA of cube? 4A square units. So 4 into, what is A square? 400. 4 into 400 gives 1600 square centimeter or centimeter square. Next, in the sixth sum, a cubical container of side 6.5 meter is to be painted on the entire outer surface. Find the area to be painted and the cost of painting at the rate of 24 rupees per meter square. So the question in the question the side is given. That means A is 6.5 meter. We have to find the entire cube. So we have to use the TSA. What is the formula to find the TSA of cube? The TSA of cube is 6A square. So 6 into 6.5 square. First you have to square this. 6.5 into 6.5. 6. 5 5s are 25, remainder 2. 30 plus 2, 32. Again 6 5s are 30, remainder 3. 36 plus 3, 39. We will get 4225. If we place the decimal, we will get 42.25 into 6 gives 30, remainder 3. 15, remainder 1. 12 plus 1, 13. 24 plus 1, 25. Again you have to place the decimal here. You will get 253.5 meter square. So this is the total area to be painted, but the cost for a meter is cost of painting at the rate of rupees 24 per meter square is equal to 253.5 into 24. Now we have to multiply this 253.5 with 24. 5 4s are 20, remainder 2. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, remainder 1. 20 plus 1, 21, remainder 2. 8 plus 2, 10. Now we multiply with 2. 2 5s are 10, remainder 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 2s are 10, remainder 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Now add this 0, 4, 8, 0, 6. Now we have to place the decimal after one digit. So you will get the answer as 6084 rupees. So the total cost of painting is rupees 6084. Next we are going to do the seventh sum. In that seventh sum the question is 3 identical cubes of 4 centimeter are joined end to end. Find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of new resulting cuboid. ஸோ அதாவது 3 cube எடுத்திருக்காங்க with 4 centimeter. They joined those 3 cubes and they framed a new solid which is a cuboid. அதாவது 3 cube எடுத்து ஒண்ணா சேர்த்தோம்னா ஒரு cuboid கிடைக்காது. So with 4 centimeter 4 centimeter 4 centimeter 4 centimeter, so totally this length is 12 centimeter. So இப்போ இது வந்து ஒரு cuboid மாறிடுச்சு. இதோட length வந்து 12 centimeter. So this is the breadth, that is 4 centimeter, and this is the height, that is also 4 centimeter. So from this we have to get the dimensions of length as 12 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter, and the height is also 4 centimeter. Now we have to find the TSA and LSA of cuboid. So what is the TSA of cuboid formula? 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L square units. So 2 into L into B, that is 12 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into again 12 square centimeter. So 2 into 48 plus 16 plus 48 centimeter square or square centimeter, whatever it is you can write square centimeter. 48 plus 48 96, 96 plus 16 gives 112, 112 into 2 gives 224. So 224 square centimeter, that is a TSA. Next we have to find the LSA of cuboid. The formula is 2H into L plus B square units. So 2H is 4, L plus B, that is 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 gives 16. 16 into 4 into 2. 8 into 16, 8 6 are 48, or 64 into 2, which gives 128 square centimeter. So these are the two answers. With this exercise is over. I hope you all understand the problems what I taught. Copy down all the sums. I send the PDF to you. If you have any doubt, contact me. Thank you and enjoy the day, students.